Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: your ID, account number, and access to the current registered mobile. Open the bank app or log into internet banking. If you prefer, book a branch visit. Once done, select Change Mobile/Update Contact in Profile. The system will prompt for OTP to verify you. Send it to the registered number. Enter the OTP quickly. If the registered SIM is lost, call the helpline first to enable alternate verification. Make sure to note any reference number they give you. You'll now perform the core update. Authenticate using your PIN, biometric, or net banking login. Enter the new mobile number exactly, then request the OTP flow the bank requires. Some banks send to both old and new numbers for dual verification. Upload a clear photo of your ID and a selfie when asked. This speeds automated KYC. If the app rejects the upload, switch to internet banking or schedule a short branch visit. Make sure to record any transaction or request ID shown on screen for tracking. You finish by confirming the change. Wait for SMS or email confirmation and then trigger a low-value transaction or request an OTP to confirm receipt on the new number. Once confirmed, update link services like UPI, recurring billers, and card alerts. If something goes wrong, for example OTP never arrives or KYC documents are rejected, call the bank helpline immediately, provide the reference ID you saved, and be ready with secondary ID. This usually resolves issues within 1 business day. Escalate to branch if required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.